Welcome, everyone, to the Power BI split column by each occurrence of the delimiter. In this video, we will explore the split column by delimiter in Power BI, and we'll be focusing specifically on each occurrence of the delimiter. I will also use infographics to simplify the concept and make it easy to understand. So let us begin. What is split column by delimiter? Split column by delimiter is a feature in Power Query that helps you break a single column into multiple columns based on a specific separator called the delimiter. A delimiter is a character or sequence of characters used to separate distinct elements or fields within a data string, text, or file. Here are common examples of delimiters: the comma, often used in CSV files to separate values. For example, John Doe 30 New York, all separated with a comma. In the list, we also have the space delimiter, the semicolon delimiter, the pipe, and the colon as well. Here is a valid point to keep in mind that a string or set of values can contain multiple delimiters, which can be sequentially numbered based on their occurrence. So before we dive into an infographic demonstration of splitting a column by delimiter, let us first understand the concept behind this. Now, this is a date column in days, month, year format with two delimiters. The delimiter slash appears multiple times within the date, and we will split the column at each occurrence of this slash. Now we have identified the sequential position of our delimiter. Let's bring in our date column to observe the transformation. Before we split, this is our date column with 10 rows to be split at each occurrence of the delimiter. Here we have a snapshot from the Power BI, which shows us where to select your split option based on the delimiter you select. Now let us split this date column at each occurrence of the delimiter. Now you can see that the original column has been split into three. The first column represents the day, the second column represents the month, and the third column contains the year. The date was split at each occurrence of the slash, which served as the delimiter. This is useful for organizing date values, making it easier to extract specific components for analysis, filtering, or sorting. For example, you might need to separate dates when working with time-based trends, sorting transactions by day, or preparing data for further transformation. You can also use this technique when cleaning names, like separating first and last names, breaking down product codes, extracting key details from text, and more. Thank you so much from Facom Analytics, and as always, do like and subscribe for more data content like this.